I'm going to here shortly present what we have done until now in Zadar County, where we have developed obviously a strategy and action plan for climate change in tourism. Of course, the strategy integrates, first of all, climate risk assessment, which has been done in a previous document, but now integrates the most important part, which has been based on the multi-level collaboration, of course. We have used all the secondary data from the National Hydrometeorological Service and so on, but also have established a panel of the experts from which we have gained also we asked them for the based on the IPCC assessment, we asked them for assessment of different impacts that are occurring regarding the vulnerability, but also resilience. This strategy also integrates the Decarbonization Adaptation Action Plan, and in the end, enabling conditions framework, which is obligatory for all strategies developed by our project. The outcome is, I would say, one nice document, which is now a shared ownership and actionable framework, which is supported, of course, by the main EU documents which have been based on it. But I must say that for now in Croatia, it's not obligatory to have climate strategies for tourism, especially for some sectors. But it is obligatory for the counties to have their own climate strategies, which are general. So these are climate strategies. We tried it to make it, let's say, in line with the existing strategy that has also been finished last year, and we are trying that in the next revision of this general strategy, perhaps some of the actions will also be implemented. Completely, there is in total 22 actions which differ in scope, in needs of the resources, financial and human resources, but are very diverse and are varying from energy balance, so to database, the solutions to the emission baseline, to the MBS pilots projects that we have also proposed, and climate resilient tourism infrastructure, which is of course quite important for this region, and education programs wherever as a soft measure can be implemented in a whole county. Just would like to point out on this map that this county is very fragile and of course vulnerable to the climate change, but this map is actually showing the intensity of tourism, where you can see it's very narrow area with really high intensity of tourism and really high vulnerability to climate change. So a lot of those actions are focused on that area.